So, Nintendo released details about the new Nintendo Switch 2. They released the trailer today. And what are my immediate thoughts? Well, I got this OLED Nintendo Switch for over $500 1 month ago. There's a new one coming out in a couple months. They're saying it's going to come out at around June. I have also been grinding for over 50 hours on the previous Mario Kart game, and there's a new Mario Kart game coming out. So what the just kidding. I'm actually really excited about this news. It's super exciting that a new Mario Kart game is coming out, especially since the original Switch was announced back in 2016, and that Switch was released in March of 2017. So it's not a total surprise that this is coming out, and I don't think there is as much of a revolutionary design shift from when the first Switch came out to this new Switch, because this new Switch is just essentially better graphics, better magnetic controllers, 2 USB-C ports now, one on the top, one on the bottom. I'm not sure why they would have 2 USB-C ports. I have two theories: 2 wired controller connections, maybe glasses support. Another one is maybe perhaps better connection to a laptop while you have connection to a controller. I would love there to be a better way to record videos rather than using a capture card, which is just kind of annoying. I need to still buy one. They say that the new kickstand is of a handle shape now, which is very different from the one for the OLED. The other stand from the original Switch is just like this really small piece. So definitely I think that might be a little bit better from the stands from before. Yes, for those who still want the headphone jack, that's still available. Physical cartridges are still accepted, so I think there is probably still going to be backwards compatibility between the games. But again, I grinded so hard on the Mario Kart game, I'm hoping the skills will translate to the new one. But yeah, I'm looking at the details right now, and other than that, I think the main thing is that you can sign up for the initial Nintendo Switch 2 experience. In New York, it's from April 4th to April 6th, Los Angeles, April 11th to April 13th, down the line. And this goes all the way up to June 1st, which it seems like the launch date is going to be around June somewhere after they have all the hands-on experiences for all those cities. So yeah, that's the quick update. This might have been a waste. Still no regrets from buying this game. It was definitely super fun over the holidays. I am going to get the Switch 2 when it comes out, so stay tuned for that video and the unboxing experience.